How to fix He's Dead, Jim, error in Google Chrome. If you're facing a He's Dead, Jim, error in your Google Chrome browser, try these methods. Method 1, reload the web page. Method 2, run Chrome cleanup tool. Method 3, reset. Chrome settings. Method 4, temporarily disable antivirus and firewall, as admin. Method 5, DNS cache. Run these commands as admin. IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / flushins IP protocol configuration / renew IP protocol configuration / flushins endstat r netshare int IP reset netshare winsock reset. Method 6, remove existing Chrome, then reinstall it later. Note, backup your Chrome profile at %localapp.a %/ Google / user data / first. Method 7, disable hardware acceleration. Method 8, run CCleaner and the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. Method 9, make that your Windows is up to date. Method 10, perform system restore. Method 10, try Canary. Method 12, reset network settings. Method 13, clean boot.